So as you can see here, this is a nursery section, isn't it? So in the nursery section, what they have prepared, let me show you how they have done. And these are teachers, okay, from the nursery side. They have helped the students and teachers also involved on that. So let me show you in the how they have made here. So this is the first project. As you can see on their chart also it is there. Then here also moms are here. There's some students as you can see here. So here they have prepared very clean and neat. They have written welcome with the help of paper. So let me show you here. Austin and other students, they are sitting. As you can see, Ma'am Amrita and Ma'am Prema, and here also you can see. So this is what they have prepared. So this is very clean and neat as you can see. This is actually an art and craft. That is why this is not working model actually. So this is art and craft. So ma'am, do you want to say something? So they don't want to. Okay. So thank you very much. Okay, let me show you another side. This side also they have hung. Here it is written KG section. So let me show you this side. Art and craft. As you can see, their art and craft. This is also very clean and neat. How they have prepared. You can see here. With the help of paper, they have made this cup, then plate, and this is butterfly. As you can see, this is butterfly, and here you can see the in the top also. So here some students are there. This is the LKG. Okay. So can you tell what is this? Tell. Please tell. Huh? Okay. So this is Diya. And what is this? Huh? Orange. So these are the students. They are telling me what they have made. Okay. So let me show you on the top also they have hung. So this is there. Okay. And this side as you can see, Sir Janeswar and Sir Alok sir, they are coming here. They are also super excited to visit this. So let me show you this side. Here the Mrs. Asunta and Sister Puspa. Okay, so thank you very much. So sister, do you want to say something?
What I will say, sir, we are happy
Yes.
to show you whatever we have made in
Yes.
this 1 week. So thank you so much for coming and visiting us.
Okay, so thank you very much sister. As you can see behind also in the chart paper, how they have prepared. And let me show you this side, another side. Okay. So this is art and craft, you can see. This is UKG section. Welcome to the KG sections they have written. So let me show you. Here they have hanged over here with this. This is everything is. Let me show you this side. So art and craft, you can see some students are sitting here. So let me show you how it is. They have prepared very well. So what is this, hero? What is this? This is a house. Okay, very good. And what is this? Huh? Car. This is a car. Okay, so students they are telling. So they have prepared art and craft, as you can see, and behind also ma'ams are sitting. So, and this is what they have written. Anjali Kumari they have written. So Anjali Kumari had prepared this art and craft. And here you can see Miss Sabnam. Okay, so this side also let me show you art and craft. So rabbits, sheep, horses and other things are there. Everything is. Let me show you. Behind also they have hanged some charts. Okay, just wait. There you go. There. So there they have hanged behind also charts, and this side let me show you. And here also what is that? Jaideep Kumar Lohra. They have prepared, I think, this art and craft. So this side let me show you. Behind also it is there in the chart. And here some students they have come to visit in the science exhibition, and that students they are in. Yes. Okay, wait. So here you can see Miss Anju ma'am sitting and their art and craft. Let me show you. Here it is there. And crowd this side, let me show you how much is there. Some students they have visited and they are. Yeah, I have captured this also. So some students they are going from here. Here you can see our sister Antonia. So sister, do you want to say something about this science exhibition?
Yes, students have worked very hard and I am very happy. So many people are coming and they are visiting us for their support and their encouragement. I thank all of them.
Okay sister, so thank you very much to say few words about on this science exhibition day. So as you can see the students how much they have come. They have come from the other school also. So these are. So let me show here once again. These are the students as I have, and behind you can see Miss Anju. She helped a lot to prepare all this art and craft. So you can see their art and craft, how beautiful it is. On this side, okay, water cycle they have prepared. So can you tell what is this? This one you tell just.
This is water cycle.
Okay, and what is that?
This is our house.
That is it. Okay, wait.
This is an elephant. This is our house. This is our door.
Okay, just wait. So ma'am, do you want to say something?
This is our house. Students taking so much time and all are enjoyed. We are very happy to other school also coming to see and enjoying. This much I will say.
Okay, ma'am. So thank you very much to explain something. So this side, let me show you some students. They have come from the other school. You are from the Jackie Chan. Jackie Chan. They have come. So let me show you behind also their art and craft are there. Okay.